Jean-François Dupont from Quebec City, Quebec. Captain Dupont is in his 3rd year with the team and is an experienced Harvard 2 military instructor. Flying in the inner left wing position is number 3, Captain Patrick McIntosh from Windsor, Ontario. Captain McIntosh is also an experienced military flight instructor on the Harvard 2 aircraft. Now look to your left as the team returns for a swept Delta bottom side pass. In second line of stern is number 5, Captain Brett Parker from Edmonton, Alberta. Captain Parker is an experienced fighter pilot on the CF-18 and a qualified flight instructor on the CT-155 Hawk. Now, look to your right as the team returns with a Concorde rolling loop. A beautiful yet challenging maneuver is renowned for its precision and grace.
Sorry,